Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and today we are unveiling a true marvel. The 2026 Ford F-750 double-decker, the RV skyscraper with massive panoramic glass windows. Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because this is not just an RV, it is a vision of the future, a rolling architectural masterpiece built on the rock-solid foundation of a Ford F-750 chassis. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you realize this vehicle transcends transportation. It's a destination in itself. Prepare to be immersed in a world where heavy-duty capability meets unparalleled, yacht-level luxury. Let's begin with the exterior design. A truly stunning demonstration of form following function. The body is a masterpiece of futuristic aerodynamics, featuring sleek, sculpted lines that make this double-decker behemoth glide through the air with the grace of a luxury yacht on the open water. The two-tone metallic paint, perhaps an elegant champagne gold contrasted with a deep mirror finish black, catches the sunlight and emphasizes every meticulous curve. The front fascia is dominated by an advanced LED lighting system, razor-sharp daytime running lights that give it a fierce, intelligent gaze, complemented by wraparound taillights and soft, ambient accents that ensure its night presence is absolutely unforgettable. Moving to the side, your eye is immediately drawn to the expansive panoramic glass that completely redefines the concept of an RV window. This is full-length transparency, transforming the interior into a sun-drenched loft, offering not just a view, but a fully immersive, breathtaking connection to the passing world. The wheels are large and incredibly stylish, featuring a futuristic design with aerodynamic hub covers that manage airflow while adding to the vehicle's commanding stability. Access is seamless and sophisticated. The automated entry system features a hidden, retractable set of steps that deploy silently, accompanied by a digital keypad for keyless access, making every entrance an event. The rear, finished with an integrated spoiler, perfectly balances performance aesthetics with a smooth, clean finish. For the environmentally conscious traveler, the optional solar roof panels are not just a luxury, but a statement, providing sustainable off-grid power to the battery charging system, ensuring you can truly escape without compromise. Stepping inside is like entering a bespoke penthouse apartment. The sheer space afforded by the double-decker design is revolutionary, and the interior is a symphony of luxury and comfort. The air is immediately hushed by advanced acoustic noise insulation technology, guaranteeing whisper-quiet comfort even at highway speeds. Every surface whispers of premium craftsmanship, from the genuine Napa leather seats that cradle you in luxury, to the fine wood veneers and brushed aluminum accents that trace elegant lines throughout the cabin. The layout is open concept, fostering a smooth and intuitive transition between the living, kitchen, and bedroom areas. Lighting is an art form here. Soft, customizable ambient lighting allows you to paint the mood, enhancing every moment, from a lively dinner to a quiet evening of reflection. The living area features 360-degree rotating recliner seats that are not merely seats. They are transformation modules, converting instantly into perfect loungers or comfortable beds. For entertainment, a high-end system awaits, anchored by an OLED smart TV and a sublime Bose or Harman Kardon surround sound system. The panoramic glass windows are truly smart, featuring adjustable opacity that gives you instant privacy with a touch, or full sweeping views of your surroundings. The kitchen and dining area is a chef's dream, designed to maximize function without sacrificing luxury. The smart induction stove is energy efficient and touch-controlled, offering precision cooking on the road. Space is optimized with a compact dishwasher and fridge, both cleverly integrated into the custom cabinetry. The true innovation lies in the voice-activated controls, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and all your appliances completely hands-free. Hidden storage compartments and expandable counters appear and disappear as needed, maximizing functionality and keeping the space clutter-free and elegant. For the ultimate 5-star experience, you can opt for the built-in espresso machine or minibar, allowing you to craft a perfect cocktail or an artisan coffee wherever your travels take you. Ascending to the second deck, the bedroom is a true sanctuary. A king-size bed with a supportive memory foam mattress, wrapped in serene mood lighting, promises the finest sleep you'll ever have on the road. Above you, the ceiling transforms into a panoramic stargazing ceiling, another segment of smart glass that offers unparalleled nighttime serenity, letting you drift off beneath a canopy of stars. The ensuite bathroom rivals any spa, featuring a rainfall shower and a sleek marble sink, complete with auto-temperature adjustment for the perfect setting every time. A smart mirror and touch panel controls offer infotainment and allow you to precisely dial in your environmental settings, putting total control at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the performance and engineering. This luxury motorhome is powered by an innovative hybrid electric drivetrain, masterfully combining a potent turbo V8 engine with powerful electric motors to produce over 700 horsepower. This isn't just power for the highway. This is the strength and efficiency required for a vehicle of this caliber. The adaptive air suspension system is pure genius, automatically adjusting the ride height and damping on the fly, ensuring a perfect, level, and incredibly smooth ride across everything from pristine highways to challenging mountain passes. With the all-wheel drive system, you gain total control and confidence, knowing this heavy-duty monster can handle any terrain you throw at it. All the while, the advanced noise cancellation technology works tirelessly, maintaining that tranquil, library-quiet cabin ambiance during every single drive. The technology suite inside the 2026 Ford F750 double-decker is nothing short of groundbreaking. The digital driver cockpit is fully customizable, offering an immersive 3D navigation experience that makes finding your next hidden gem effortless. For those long stretches, the autonomous driving assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and hands-free driving modes, offer a new level of relaxation and safety. Parking this skyscraper on wheels is made simple with a 360-degree camera system, which provides an impeccable bird's-eye view for navigating tight spaces. The onboard AI travel assistant elevates the journey, planning optimal routes, locating charging stations, and even recommending scenic stops perfectly tailored to your interests. This is smart home integration on wheels. You can control lighting, climate, entertainment, and all your systems via a dedicated app or simple voice command. For global travelers, optional satellite internet and premium streaming services ensure you are never out of touch, no matter how far you roam. You can even personalize this rolling palace further with custom interior themes or branded upholstery from world-class designers like Bentley, Hermes, or Rolls-Royce. And when you arrive at your dream location, imagine deploying the retractable outdoor deck or awning, complete with elegant seating for sunset relaxation that truly captures the five-star experience. The 2026 Ford F750 double-decker is more than just a motorhome. It is a statement about how we choose to experience the world. It's a synthesis of rugged American engineering and visionary, world-class luxury design. It is the ultimate freedom machine, a commanding presence that carries the elegance of a super yacht and the power of a heavy-duty truck. While official pricing is tailored to the vast range of bespoke options, expect this to sit firmly in the upper echelon of the luxury motorhome market, an investment in a lifestyle defined by freedom, innovation, and uncompromising luxury. We've seen the future of travel, and it is a breathtaking two-story, panoramic sanctuary. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising through a majestic landscape with the stars visible through your bedroom ceiling tonight. That is the promise of the 2026 Ford F750 double-decker. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more breathtaking innovations and reviews from Luxury Motorhome.